Thought I was rid of you, thought it was over with, thought I was over it. Thought I evicted you from my heart, kicked you out of my mind, so nothing left of you would be left behind. Ooh, but you still take up all the space, you just won't go away. You stay in my head like an uninvited guest, uninvited guest. You still haunt my heart. Guess you haven't left it yet, haven't left it yet. Oh, like an uninvited guest. Still see you everywhere, you're still in every room, feel you with every move. I can't go on without erasing you from my heart. Tired of feeling this pain, seems you're the only ghost I just can't chase away. Ooh, you still inhabit every thought, I prayed that you'd be gone. You stay in my head like an uninvited guest, an uninvited guest. You still haunt my heart. Seems you haven't left it yet, haven't left it yet. You stay in my head like an uninvited guest, an uninvited guest. You still haunt my heart. Guess you haven't left it yet, haven't